Hello students, welcome to the Fun Known. Today we are going to learn operations of algebraic expression. Let us see what multiplication, how multiplication works in algebraic expression. Multiplication of numbers and letters. 2 into a is known as 2a. 5 into a is known as 5a. 9 into r square will be known as 9r square. Letters multiplying with themselves. You can see here a into a. This is a symbol which I am calling into multiplication symbol. A into a. You can call it as a square. B into b into b into b. You can just check it out how many b's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can write b raised to 7, right? How you have written a into a square, like that. B, there were 7 b's, so b raised to 7. Numbers multiplying by letters with themselves. Let's see. 5a, there is number plus letter. 5a into 5a. If you can see a into a, we have already seen a into a is a square. 5 into 5, I hope everyone knows the table. 5 into 5 is? Yes, 25. So answer will be 25a square. Here you can see 9b into 5b into 2b. If you will do 9b into 5b into 2b, so b into b into b, obviously the answer is b cube. And 9 into 5 into 2, 9 into 5 is? Yes. What is the answer? Yes, very good. 45 into 2. 45 into 2, yeah, you will get the answer as 90. So 90b cube will be the answer. Multiplication of mixed terms. Now, what is known as mixed term and how you will be multiplying mixed terms in multiplication, an algebraic expression. Let us check it out, students. X comma y. If there is a term which is known as x comma y, the answer will be xy. Means if there are two different terms, this is how we are going to do the multiplication with them. X into y will be called as xy. X square into y square. If x square into y square, there are two different terms, we cannot add them. So what we will be writing is x square y square. This is how we are going to write. X cube into y raised to 5. What we are going to write is x cube y raised to 5. Multiplication of numbers, different letter. Example, students, you can see over here. 5x square into 7y square. You can see x square and y square are different terms, as we have already seen. We are just not going to do anything with that terms. We are just going to write it x square and y square as it is. 7 and 5 are the numbers. You can multiply them. 7 into 5, you know, 35. So answer will be 35x square y square. Go for the next example. 2x cube into 6y raised to 5. You can see x cube as it is given over there, y raised to 5 as it is given over there. 6 into 2 is 12. So 12x cube y raised to 5 will be the answer. So I hope you understand how to do the multiplication of numbers with different letters. So now we'll see multiplication with powers. Check if bases are same, then add the power, that is also known as exponent. Students, you have to check here if there is an expression, and in that expression, if the term contains same base, then you can add the powers of that term. As example, you can see over here, there is x raised to 5 into x raised to 11. In this term, or in this example, you can see there is one term x raised to 5, there is another term x raised to 11, but both the term have same base, that is x. So as we have given, as it is already given there, we can add the powers if the terms are same base. If the terms are having the same base, you can add the powers, students. So here the answer will be x, that is 5 plus 11, and now our x raised to 16 will be the answer. Check it out, another example, students. Y 9, that is y raised to 9 into y raised to 11. If y raised to 9 into y raised to 11, y will be the common base between both of them. Just because of that, we'll just write y once, and 9 plus 11, the answer will be y raised to 20. Multiplication with numbers, comma variables, and power. Let us see with an example, students. 5 into x raised to 5 into x raised to 11 into y. If this is an expression for us, that is 5 into x raised to 5 into x raised to 11 plus y, what we'll do, we'll write 5 as it is. This have common base, so we will be writing x 5 plus 11, that is raised to 5 plus 11 into y. Then our answer will be 5y as it is and x raised to 16. Just check it out, this example, students. 16 into y raised to 5 into x raised to 11 into y. You can see, students, here y have a common base, y is a common base, so you can say 5 as it is. Y, you can see y raised to 5 and single y, that means obviously it is 1, so 5 plus 1, and x raised to 11 as it is. So now the answer will be y raised to 6, x raised to 11, and 5 as it is, that is 5 y raised to 6, x raised to 11. I hope you're understanding, students, how we are doing multiplication with powers. You have to make sure whenever you do multiplication with powers, the base are same. If the base are 7, you can make sure that you can add 2 powers. It is also known as you can add exponents with each other. Okay. In multiplication, now we are going to see multiplication of algebraic expression. In multiplication of algebraic expression, the constant is multiplied by constant and variable is multiplied by variables of each term expression. The term may be like or unlike. Example, students, this is a term which is known as 3xy or 3x plus 4y and 4x plus 2y. Now this is an example for us. Now how we are going to solve this expression where we have to multiply these terms? Make sure, students, whenever you have to multiply this kind of terms, you will make sure that take first term from first expression, and that after that multiply the first term with all the terms, and then take second term of first expression and then multiply with all the expression. Now here in first term you can see 3x plus 4y. So what you will do, students, 3x is one term, you will multiply 3x with 4x, you will multiply 3x with 2y. So here it will be 3x into 4x, 3x into 2y. In first term only, there is another term which is known as 4y. So you will multiply this 4y with 4x, that is 4y into 4x, and 4y with 2y, that is 4y into 2y. So this is how our new expression will be done, students. Now here you can just make sure if this is our new expression, then 3x into 4x, 12x square, 3x into 2y, 6xy, 4y into 4x, 16xy, and 4y into 2y, it is 8y square. Now obviously these are the common terms, 6xy plus 16xy. If you will add them, it will be 22xy. So 12x square plus 22xy plus 8y will be the answer. This is how you will make sure, students, if there is some constant or if there is some different variables, you will just make sure that from the first term you will just multiply the first term, and from the first term you will multiply with all other terms, and then in that first term if there is another term also, you will multiply with another term also, like this. Take the first term from first expression and then multiply with all the terms, and then second expression, and do it repeatedly. Okay. Yes, students. Now we'll see some more examples on multiplication of algebraic expression. Example number 1, students. 4yx square plus 4x square y. Students, we have already seen algebraic expression, and we know in algebraic expression small y and the capital Y is different. Small x and the capital X is different. So here this is first term 4 small y x square, all the whole term is small, and the other term is 4 capital X square y, and 5x square y plus 4 y x square. This is capital. Okay, now we will have to multiply. You know how to multiply. What you will be doing, you will be taking this first term 4yx square, and this term you will be multiplying with 5x square y, this first one. Then 4yx square you will be multiplying with this capital 4yx square. Then you will be taking second term, that is 4x square y, and multiplying with the first term of second term, that is 4x square y into 5x square y. And then this 4x square y, which is capital, will be multiplied with 4yx square. That means this term will be multiplied with this and also with this term will be multiplied with this and also with this. Okay, this we have already seen, students. After multiplication you will get the answer as 24 into 5 20, then x, because there is x square the same base, so you can add 2 plus 2, so x raised to 4, and y same base, 1 plus 1, so 2, y raised to 2. This is how you have to do. Here you will get answer as 16x square y x square, but this is capital X square and y. Here you will get the answer 20x square and y, which is capital, and x square and y, which is small. And here you will get the answer 16x raised to 4 and y raised to 2, because x raised to 4, because same x, the base was same, so you can write 1 time x, and 2 plus 2 we have already seen in our example. As you can see, the term containing x square and x square, that is capital X and small x, will be treated different. The term y, small y and capital Y was treated as different. So in multiplication, small x, capital X, small y, capital Y will be considered as different, and we cannot merge them in a simple algebraic expression. Thank you for watching the video on the fun note. We'll see you in the next class, students. Thank you.